What's up everyone, it's the Nomad Brad, and in this video I'm going to share with you my top 3 landing page and funnel builders for 2019. ClickFunnels versus Builderall versus OptimizePress. And if you don't know who I am, I'm the Nomad Brad, and I talk about affiliate marketing and digital marketing strategies. So if you want to hear more about successful marketing strategies in 2019, then subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you get a notification whenever I put out new content, putting out lots of videos. And also below the video, if you are into affiliate marketing, I do have a free Facebook group that I'd love you to join. So go ahead and check for a link below the video for that. So when you're considering a landing page builder, here are the factors that I think are most important. Number one, what's your budget? And as you'll see, that's actually a really big deal. And it definitely changes, what you're looking for. Number two, what are you going to use it for? What sort of, what kind of website are you going to build, and what are your goals? What's your business model? Are you actually building sales funnels and building products and building an online business, or do you just need a landing page? That's kind of the big split here. The next one, do you like recurring payments? Some people really don't like those. And that's going to determine which tool you're going to want to use. And the next one is, do you like self-hosted or cloud hosted? So do you like to have your own website, your own server, your own like WordPress site, and then have a plugin installed on that WordPress site? Or do you want to have a fully hosted solution where, you just connect a domain and you send traffic and they host all the pages and everything like that? So one last note, you will find affiliate links, my affiliate links below the video for free trials to all of these things. So if you're interested in one of them, go ahead and click the link below, and that'll support me in the channel, and I appreciate that. So builder number one, let's talk about ClickFunnels. This is sort of, in my opinion, the gold standard of the whole funnel building and landing page software thing. They've obviously skyrocketed the last few years, and they kind of created this whole funnel thing. So if you haven't used ClickFunnels before, it comes with tons of pre-made templates, including templates for entire pre-made sales funnels. And these are sales funnels that have been tested and modeled from successful, many times multi-million-dollar sales campaigns. So they have sales pages, they have webinar templates, they have opt-in pages, they have members area. I use ClickFunnels for all the products that I've made so far. And because they have such a big impact and influence, they integrate with almost every service you can think of. Here's some examples of some ClickFunnels templates. You can see they look very nice. Now, the biggest drawback to ClickFunnels is the price, especially as a beginner. If you're just getting started out, or if you're just doing like paid traffic affiliate marketing, for example, then the price can be pretty prohibitive. It's either $97 a month or it's $297 a month. And in my experience, once you kind of get your business up and running, you're going to need that $297 level pretty fast. Now, it does come with a lot more cool bells and whistles, but honestly, I usually upgrade just because I've run out of, they put a limit to how many funnels you can build and how many pages you can build at the $97 level. And I almost always hit that limit very quickly and have to upgrade to $297. So it's basically $300 a month product. And I've heard this quote a lot from other, especially affiliate marketers and beginner marketers, is that $97 a month stacks up pretty fast when you're not making enough money. So if you don't have a lot of positive cash flow, then ClickFunnels, it's going to start out feeling great. You're going to be excited. And then if you're not making enough sales to compensate for that payment, it's going to start to stack up pretty quickly. Now let's just talk about most of the pros, in my opinion, of ClickFunnels. Number one, we talked about hundreds of proven pre-made marketing templates, entire sales funnels made by they have really beautiful designs and they work really well. They have a drag and drop website builder. You can really build like amazing websites in about 5 to 10 minutes after you kind of learn how their platform works. It's pretty incredible. It takes something that used to be very difficult and makes it very, very accessible for a normal person who's not like tech savvy. And that's the big thing they've done. They also have full proven sales funnel templates, lots of them. They have easy full integration with Stripe payments. So if you just want to get a business up and running and sell a product, you can integrate with Stripe very quickly with ClickFunnels, and it works beautifully. And it also integrates with almost every email marketing platform, including MailChimp, Aweber, ConvertKit, many, many, many more. They have a lot of connections. They have, tons of firepower behind the platform, so they have access to everything. They have lightning fast website hosting. They can probably, beat anybody, any server that you would pay for. ClickFunnels has better servers because that's their whole business. So they have tons of money, so they can invest in really, really high quality servers. Also, I really like their membership site software. If you do information products online or any sort of training courses or whatever, I really like their solution for that. Some other pros, they have a really, really amazing affiliate program where you can make money promoting ClickFunnels. We're not going to really talk about that, but if you're curious, I'll put a link in the description below. As of recently, it integrates with Shopify, which is really cool for building sales funnels for Shopify stores. And also, if you get the $297 plan, some of the bells and whistles are you can have an affiliate program for products that you own. Like you can let other people promote your products through ClickFunnels. Also, it comes with an email autoresponder service, which I personally have never used, but I'm sure plenty of people do. Also, it does have WordPress integration, but their WordPress integration is kind of funky. Basically, everything's still hosted on ClickFunnels. It's just like it shows up inside in a frame inside your WordPress. So I was kind of disappointed with that, but some people probably think that's fine. Also, they have a really pretty amazing support team. So if you have any problems, they have a lot of support team people to handle that. Some of the cons of ClickFunnels, in my opinion, the recurring payment, especially for beginners, that $97 or more likely within a very short amount of time, $297. Because like I mentioned, they have limits on the usage of the $97 plan. They have a limited number of funnels that you can build, a limited number of pages you can build, and they have a limited number of website visits that you can get to your funnel before you have to upgrade to the $297 one. Now, once you upgrade to $297, everything's opened up. You can use all their features, you can use all the advanced stuff, and you get unlimited funnels, unlimited pages, and unlimited traffic. Now, again, in my experience, they've actually improved this since a couple years ago, but it still doesn't really integrate with anything other than Stripe perfectly. It does integrate with PayPal now, but it's still a little clunky. I've been using it for one of my businesses, and I do like it. I'm glad they improved it, but it's still pretty clunky, in my opinion. Also, it doesn't really integrate that well with ClickBank if that's important to you. If you own products. Again, ClickFunnels is really perfect for a product owner. If you create products and you run traffic to your own products or you're building products, then ClickFunnels is really amazing. If you're an established business already, if you have a service or you have a brick and mortar store, ClickFunnels is really awesome for that. Just building your online presence with sales in mind and marketing in mind. And funnels are really going to help you boost your sales. If you do a high traffic volume, ClickFunnels is amazing because, like I said, they have those amazing servers. If you have positive cash flow, like I mentioned before, one problem I hear from beginners, and I've experienced myself over the last few years, is just when I wasn't actually making money, I really wanted to use ClickFunnels, and I tried, doing whatever I was doing that wasn't profitable, and it just ended up sucking a lot of money for me because I hadn't figured out the most important part, which is how to make a profit. And then, once you're making a profit, then you can you can use ClickFunnels. But if you're not making a profit yet, it's pretty rough. Also, if you build sales funnels as opposed to just landing pages and opt-in pages, we'll talk about that more in a second. And lastly, if you're building an online business. So those are all pretty similar, but that gives you a good idea of who the perfect person for ClickFunnels is. Now, the number 2 software we're going to talk about is called Builderall. And you can see some examples here. It does also come with templates, nicely designed and tested all over the world. I call this one of the 3 the up-and-comer. It's used very heavily in non-US countries, and it's kind of just building popularity over the last couple years. And I've gone to I went to a conference recently and met the owner and met a lot of the kind of key figures in the Builderall world, and they're very cool, very nice company. I met his family and everything. Just very cool people. I like the direction they're heading, and And I definitely like that it's an option. So one big thing about Builderall is that it has much, much more affordable pricing, and it has kind of like, it's in the same spirit of ClickFunnels. It's like a full suite of marketing tools, and it's really made for building, entire sales funnels, hosted web pages. It's a lot of the same things I said about ClickFunnels can be applied to Builderall as well. Except that, they have more affordable pricing. So they have a $9 a month plan, which I'm not sure what that includes. A $29 a month plan, which is kind of like their basic, like, unlimited use of all the tools. You can get and make unlimited funnels, unlimited pages. You also get unlimited email marketing, which is kind of crazy. I'll talk about that in a second. Or the $49 a month plan is the Builderall Business, which actually allows you to promote it as an affiliate. And it's my favorite affiliate program right now. I'll talk about that more in a second. But so they have a really, really amazing affiliate program too, but not really what we're talking about here. Of course, it obviously has lots of pre-made templates and funnels and stuff like that. And as a bonus, it comes with a lot of really cool marketing tools that you don't really find included with the other services. So to me, the biggest drawback of Builderall is the learning curve. Now, every single piece of software has a learning curve. I've been building web pages, for probably 15 or 20 years. I mean, probably close to 15 years. I've worked for really big internet marketing companies that were making millions and millions of dollars. Like, I've worked with development teams. I've built a lot of landing pages in my day. Let me say that. And every single software has pros and cons, and every single software has a learning curve. And I would just say, for most of the people, if you get used to using ClickFunnels and then you go try to use Builderall, it's going to feel pretty clunky. But actually, I just tried using Wix for the first time, and I was like, oh, this is how Builderall built their system. It's kind of like Wix. So anyways, I've heard a lot that the learning curve's pretty heavy, and I personally found that to be true as well. So at this point, whenever you see this is at the beginning of 2019, maybe they'll improve. So in my experience and many others, it's a little bit harder to learn how the software works than some of the other tools. However, they do have tons of tutorials, and to be honest, it's my fault. I really just haven't taken the time to sit down and watch the tutorials, and I'm guessing the same of everybody that complains about it. And also, they have a really cool secondary support system. There's people out there who are part of the community who basically just crank out YouTube videos that show you how to use the software, and they kind of like help to build up the support of the Builderall community. So you can definitely find lots of support out there, and there's tons of training on how to use all the features. And just like every software, once you learn how to use them, then you start seeing lots of possibilities and opportunities. So the Builderall Pros, definitely the affordable pricing is probably number one. It's $29 a month for unlimited all features of all the tools. Build as many pages as you want. It's hosted on their servers. Again, they have like millions of hits every day, so they have really nice servers. And then it's $49.50 a month for all the features, plus you can promote it as an affiliate, and they actually have a 2-tier system. But again, I'll talk about that in a second. They have easy one-click landing page templates. Yeah, they have lots of really nice templates. I've checked those out. They have dozens of proven sales funnel templates, and they're always improving and adding those. They have a drag-and-drop website and landing page builder, and they have fast cloud hosting for all of their web pages. Also, they integrate with nearly all email autoresponder services as well. They do integrate with Shopify. I haven't really done that myself, but I have checked it out, and they do have that. They have a fully hosted webinar platform, like actually replaces kind of what they do. Really interestingly is they try to replace entire tools, so you don't have to spend another $97 on this and another $47 on that and another $200 on that. So they kind of try to put them all together in one marketing tool suite, which is really nice. And so instead of going out and getting another webinar platform like GoToWebinar or something, you can just use Builderall and host your webinars on there. Also, they have a full email marketing platform included when you get their either of those plans with lifetime unlimited email marketing. Again, I haven't really used it, but it's pretty cool that they offer that. Especially if you're just getting started and you're trying to wrap your mind around all this stuff, it can be really nice to have everything in one package for one price. It's $29 or $49 a month, and it kind of just gives you everything you need to run an online business. That's pretty amazing. All your web hosting, all your email marketing, all your sales funnels, all in one place. Pretty awesome. And again, they have dozens of additional marketing tools. You can click a link below the video to check out some of the other tools there. And also, as another bonus, I personally think it's the best affiliate program of 2019. I'll include a video I made on YouTube about why down below if you want to check that out. So the cons of Builderall, in my opinion, is it has a moderately difficult learning curve, like I mentioned. It's got some somewhat confusing options and processes. It wasn't really intuitive to me, but again, it's on me. I went through many hours of training for ClickFunnels when it came out. I haven't gone through those same hours with Builderall. So if I went through those hours of training, I don't think it would be confusing anymore. But sort of intuitively, I did find it a bit confusing. Again, it does have recurring pricing, which the next option I'm going to talk about doesn't have recurring pricing. It's just a one-time price, which a lot of people will appreciate. And again, that's $29 a month for unlimited features, or $49 if you get the affiliate features as well. And also, I at least my experience so far, support hasn't been like super responsive to me. Whereas ClickFunnels is pretty good, and OptimizePress, the one I'm going to talk about next, is amazing customer support. So a lot of people, care about that a lot. So. All right, so who is Builderall perfect for? In my opinion, it's perfect for anyone who's looking for a budget alternative to ClickFunnels, especially for people who are just starting out with digital marketing. It's really got everything that you need to run an online business, and it's just, a lot more affordable. Also, as opposed to the next one we're going to talk about, if you're getting high traffic volumes, again, they have like hosted cloud servers, so it's a good fit for that. If you want to build sales funnels, if you're doing more than just having a basic landing page and an opt-in, then Builderall is going to be the best, most affordable way to do that. Also, if you want your pages hosted on the cloud, like we just said, and if you want an all-in-one hosting, landing page building, funnel building, and marketing suite solution for a really sweet budget price, then Builderall is definitely for you. I will also add, once again, I have a link to a video down below talking about why Builderall actually has, in my opinion, the best affiliate program right now. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you want to make extra money and host your whole business in one place and promote it as an affiliate, also a really great option. Perfect for you. All right, so builder number 3 is OptimizePress. And this is what I'm calling the only improved with age builder. And the reason I say that is because I actually started using OptimizePress back in 2007 or something, or 2010, I think, my first license. It was one of the original pioneers of landing page templates in general. This was before Unbounce and before, what are the other, lead pages and all that stuff. Like I said, I've used all of these. And I started out by using OptimizePress because they were the first one. And I thought it was just kind of old, outdated software. And they were the first one to build really nice opt-ins and really nice sales page templates way before lead pages. And they also had really nice members area software. And the thing that I didn't know is that they actually updated a couple years ago, and they built this really amazing new version that was just way even more impressive than ever before. It's really, really nice software. We'll talk about it in a second. But probably the biggest thing that's going to appeal to the most people is that it has a one-time fee. So the other programs we're talking about have recurring billing, whether it's $9.29 or $97 or $2.97 or $49. OptimizePress you can buy one time for just one-time fee, and they don't charge you anymore. Not a yearly fee, not a monthly fee. It's just one time. And you get to use it on, I think, up to 3 different websites for that one-time fee. If you want more websites, you can pay them more, but it's really, really good to get started if you don't like recurring fees. And you can see on the screen, they have really, really nice templates, really beautiful. Like I said, they were the first in the game. They're still really good at it. So some of the pros of OptimizePress are, the one-time pricing. It's $97 for 3 sites. Excuse me. $197 for 10 sites, $297 for up to 30 sites. So it's really scalable. Also, you get lifetime access, which is really cool. Again, not monthly access. You get dozens of amazing templates for landing pages. And I really have to say, I really, really like their design. I think they're very beautiful. And also highly conversion optimized. They've been doing this for 10 years or more. And they're just really, really optimized for conversion. And they're really beautiful as well. Really fast to build pages. Lots of really cool features. They have a lot of really good opt-in pages, a lot of really good sales page designs, webinar pages, launch pages, blog pages, and more. It also comes with a bonus highly optimized blogging theme for WordPress, and it is a WordPress plugin. So this depends on using WordPress. If you don't know what WordPress is, this probably isn't the thing for you. But if you use WordPress, which most marketers and entrepreneurs have in the last 10 years, then OptimizePress it is a WordPress plugin. So you have to have WordPress, and that's a feature for most people. They're used to WordPress plugins, and this one is probably the best for creating highly optimized sales-focused opt-ins and landing pages. It's also, you can see this as a pro or a con, depends, but it's a pro that it's self-hosted on your website, which means you have full control over it. Once you install the software, somebody else doesn't own your business or your website. It's on your website. It's just software, a plugin on your website. So that's a pro to a lot of people. Also, they have really, really amazing support. They're really, really helpful. They explain things in a really nice way. Very responsive, very personal. It's very easy to use. It's a drag and drop web page editor, super simple. Probably the lowest learning curve of all of them, I would say. It's just very, very intuitive, very easy to understand how it works, and it's got everything you would want for building landing pages and sales pages. And also, it integrates really well with ClickBank if you have a ClickBank product, and it integrates really well with PayPal. So some of the cons about OptimizePress is the loading speed. Really, they have not much control over. They have optimized the code so that it will load as fast as it possibly can. But ultimately, there's another factor, which is what hosting do you have? So if you're paying for $2 hosting on, some website and you're sending lots of traffic, it's not OptimizePress's fault that it can't load that quickly. So loading speed depends on your hosting that you have. Whereas ClickFunnels and Builderall have, their own servers hosted in the cloud. There's not as many fully built sales funnels, so that's actually a good thing for certain people, which I'll talk about in a second. But if you're thinking about okay, first I'm going to have this thing, and then it's going to upsell and then downsell, and it's all going to be intelligently moving, you could do it, but you'd have to do it manually like we did, 6 or 7 years ago of split tests and all that stuff. But you can still build the cool pages really fast, and they would look nice and they would convert, but you'd have to manually set up all the funneling system, as far as I know. Also, some tech skills may be required from time to time, but they do have a very helpful and responsive support team. In my opinion, OptimizePress is perfect for the WordPress ninja, the person who, really has been living in the WordPress world for a long time and understands WordPress and wants a WordPress plugin that's going to build landing pages for them. Also, and this is definitely a type that I've met, the control freak, and I've been that in some ways myself, but basically if you want a self-hosted solution, you don't want to trust some other company. If ClickFunnels or Builderall suddenly decides to just delete your page, then your whole business is gone. Some people really think about that and worry about that. So if you want to control everything, then OptimizePress is great for you because it's all hosted on your website. For paid traffic affiliates, most of the time you're really only ever going to need to build simple landing pages and opt-in pages at most. You're not building whole sales funnels because you're not creating products and you're not doing a business. You're just promoting affiliate products. So honestly, OptimizePress is a really, really good solution for you. You don't need all the bells and whistles that ClickFunnels or Builderall provides. Now, you can use both of those as well, and they will do a great job at this, but it's kind of can be overkill for what you might need as just an affiliate marketer. OptimizePress might just handle everything perfectly for you. It's perfect for you if you love simple, beautiful landing pages and sales pages, and definitely if you sell a ClickBank product, it's a really great option. So my question to you after watching these summaries is, which one are you going to choose? You can go ahead and comment below if you agree or disagree with my opinions. I'm, maybe missing something here. Or if you have a question about any of these, like I said, I have used just about every software out there over the years. I've used things like Lead Pages and Unbounce and all that stuff. I just don't use them currently, so I don't really care to talk about them. But these are the ones that I use the most right now, but I've used pretty much everything over the years, and these are my opinions. So look for links to all the products below. I think all of them have a free trial that I'll link to, and just a bunch of other cool links below. Hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate your time. If you have a second, hit the like, comment below, click one of the links. So all right, thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.